Hello, my name is Max Nikashian, and I wanted to say thank you to all of those who have donated and supported our crowdfunding campaign for the Wet Center.
Thank you so much for all of your generous donations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your donation.
Thank you.
Thank you for your donation to the crowdfunding campaign.
All of your contributions are making a huge difference in the lives of our students.
You're supporting future leaders in agriculture, and you're also supporting a more sustainable future by investing in our future, which is our students.
The Wet Center and our students greatly appreciate your support, and we couldn't do this without you.
Every single dollar counts towards helping our students, and we really appreciate it.
In today's labor market, employers rely heavily on resumes that can illustrate a candidate's relevant work experience. Please consider donating to the Wet Center's crowdfunding campaign, taking hands-on learning to a new level, and help us provide opportunities for students to get first-hand exposure to working in real businesses solving real problems, and also to get them a head start on developing their own professional network. Thank you.